Hey guys, welcome back. Here's our wheel account. Gotten a little more volatile in the last couple weeks. Couple reasons. One is we're choosing further out expirations, which will swing with the share price more. And then just we've been holding this RKT for a long time. So yeah, in the last week, because we're down 4%. I mean, can't quite follow this because these have time till expiration, so they're going to go back and forth. This isn't realized gains or losses, of course, because we're still, all of our money's out. That's kind of how you have to look at it. However, some stuff is going against us. We've got this covered call on Rocket, and yeah, so Rocket came down, and it's probably going to keep coming down. I don't think this will get exercised, which is fine. We'll sell another one. Yeah, I sold this put on Lee. You remember from last video. I think I kind of just misread the chart a little bit. It was this day, I think I sold a put, thinking it found a bottom and it's kind of starting to reverse. Yeah, typically that would have been fine, but didn't work this time. It's pretty low on the RSI now on the daily, but it's not really showing signs of any support yet, so we're probably gonna be riding this one for a bit. Oh, I was hoping it'd find support, maybe this area right here, 27 or so. But yeah, if this keeps going down, and we've got till the 8th, doesn't shoot back up, we'll probably roll this over. And then Corsair. So we've sold this longer term Corsair one. Sold the put on Corsair for the 15th of January. And it was quite a bit of credit, a lot of credit on this one actually. One, because it was a lot more time, and then also because it was basically right at the money when we sold it, or close to the money. Let's see, when did we sell this thing? December 21st. That was here. And then we sold a 35 put. So yeah, that was pretty close to the strike of where it was. So it had come up and then it came down since then and kind of bounced back to this 36. So we'll see. If this thing shoots up, then this put will lose value quickly and we can buy it back. I don't know if I'll wait, how long I'll wait, maybe 80%. It depends, I guess. Or we could even roll it up a strike when we get there. This thing's kind of saving, this Corsair is kind of saving the way this wheel account looks right now, even though it's none of it really realized. Sold a put on Wish. Wish is a recent IPO. It's a Chinese stock, so they're in kind of a weird spot. There's pretty good premium on this one. I thought today it found a support at this kind of 2019 level, and it was going to come back up. I sold it pretty close to the money 20 put, and it didn't find support there. I sold it too early in the morning. I kind of got excited this morning. Hadn't traded in a few days because Thursday was half day, or no, Wednesday was half day, Thursday was off, then you had Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't know. Got a little, I don't know, FOMO, but I just wasn't patient, wasn't following my rules, and shouldn't have sold a put on this because this candle didn't open above the 9 moving average, and I mean it's been trending down clearly, so I kind of was banking on it supporting on this, but you don't know that till you see support on it, and this wasn't enough, I guess. So anyways, this one we might be holding. We'll see. It's an IPO still though, so it's probably pretty volatile. It might bounce around. We'll see on that one. We have till the 15th, so no problem. And then still have these RKT shares. We sold that covered call on. Cost on these is $21. So yeah, we're just holding those shares. This will probably expire worthless, this call, and then we'll still have the shares and we'll sell another call on it. BCLI, same deal. Kind of waiting for good news on this one to shoot it up, and then maybe sell a covered call, or maybe just sell out of it. Depends on how high it goes, I guess. But yeah, wheel account not looking too hot the last few days, but we'll see how these things shake out. And yeah, if nothing else, we'll roll over these puts. I liked that strategy when we did it with Rocket last time. Your put gets close, well, towards expiration and it's in the money, or even on expiration, just close it out, and sell another one to cover the losses of it, and maybe even receive some more credit. So I don't see why. Yeah, I think it's safer. All it is just more time. It's safer than really owning the shares because you're making money on the stock price going down. If you're holding shares, you'd just be losing money. But instead of selling puts on it, you're making at least the premium to sell that put. So if it goes down that much, then yeah, you can own the shares there. But you made premium with it also. So I don't know any other reason why actually owning shares would be better when it's going down than selling puts. Yeah. Unless you're selling, I guess if you're selling puts in the money, I'm not sure. Intrinsic and extrinsic value. But yeah, that's our wheel count. Hopefully you guys did a little better than me last week. Hopefully you had a Merry Christmas and a good Christmas Eve. And we'll get back to you if any of this changes. Get back to you tomorrow or the next day. We'll see what happens with this stuff. If not, Happy New Year. And make sure to sub up, like up, and comment down. Make your money happy money, so stick around. And see you next time. Probably before the new year, although this is a short week. Let's see, Thursday. I think the market's closed Friday or Thursday even. Half day on Thursday, so yeah, it's another short one. I'll probably do another recap either Wednesday or Thursday. And that's it. All right, peace out.